Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch6 Classic, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down on the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and you can swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the pages. Find the page with the power saving mode icon, looks like this. Once you find the power saving mode icon, you can enable the mode by tapping on this icon. It will say power saving, the icon will change the color to blue, it will get highlighted, it will appear at the top right here, and also if you go back to watch face, it will appear at the top of the watch face, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable it, open the quick panel, find the power saving mode icon and tap on it to disable the mode. The icon will go back to the gray color, it will disappear from here and from the watch face, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also enable and disable the mode through the settings, and there you can also enable the watch only mode, which saves a lot of more power, but you have only access to the time and date. Okay, so let's go to settings. Wake up the screen. On the home screen, swipe up on the screen to open the menu, then scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the option called battery and device care, then tap on it, and here find the battery option, tap on it. Now scroll down, and if you want to enable the power saving mode from here, tap on the switch to flick it on and enable the mode, and if you want to turn it off, tap on the switch to flick it off and turn it off. But if you want to enable the watch only mode, you need to scroll down, find the watch only mode option. Once you find it, you can tap on it, scroll down and tap on turn on. The watch will reboot into watch only mode. And once it boots into watch only mode, okay, now it's done. So once it boots into watch only mode, that's how it looks like. You have access only to time. And to exit this mode, you need to press and hold the power button. So first you need to wake up the screen, so you need to see the time, press and hold the power button and keep holding it until the watch reboots and boots back into a system. So once you see the Samsung logo, you can release the button and wait. As you can see, we're back in a normal mode, normal system, and that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.